talk about the big benta ha. When did the things get better? I know it was a lot more manual before and very traditional old school. I would guess like you would do sales calls as in like
Yes.
manual.
Yes. Cold
Pero
calls.
kailan siya nag-turn around and kailan mo na feel na nag-improve or nagkaroon ng mas magandang strength yung business nyo?
Yun nga. As I said, no, kaka-celebrate lang namin ng anniversary itong May dun sa local selling. And so we did a review and then we found out na from start of May 2025 to start of May, end of
2026,
April
yeah.
2026, we were able to sell just over 1 million pesos
Wow.
worth of glass.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
such a good jump ha from. And what were the changes did you adapt or did you put into the business that made that jump from your sales before?
So basically yun yung baseline namin eh, yung 1 million
One,
sales.
yeah.
So I mean, I think it's a very modest siya,
Yeah.
pero at the same time, hindi na rin siya small time na performance. And then no, right after we did the review and we were able to sell from mid-May until start of July, nakabenta kami ng 1.2 million just in a span of 20 something days.
Wow. How did it happen?
So, well, we led with speed, no?
Uh-huh.
So, may bago kaming dating na import. And then, we were just able to touch base again with the old clients na bumili na rin. And we're able to come up with a price more quickly. Sanay na rin kasi clockwork na. And then, yun, nakapag-build din ng relationship with the clients. And kampante na rin sila sa amin, sa competence namin.
Right.
Diba? So,
grabe, no? 20 days, 1 million. And then when you were telling us about the review, 1 year,
1
Yeah.
million
1 million.
din. Yeah.
But the 20 days already matches the
Yeah, it
last
even
year's-
beat it. Kasi
even beat
1.2
it,
million yung in 20 days.
I see. So,
Right.
are there, is there anything that you would like to share to our bosses? Paano nangyari yun? Was there, may in-improve ba kayo sa processes, sa system?
Yeah, definitely. Mga boss, I guess gusto ko lang i-share if you also want to have more sales is to make it repeatable.
That's true.
No? And lead with speed talaga when it comes to your sales calls. No? The sooner you can give a price or the sooner you can give an offer, then the sooner then na makapagbenta ka.
Yeah.
And then just do it again and again and focus on the 80% of your sales that come from 20% of your customers. And then lastly, lagyan ng puso yung pagbenta kasi it's really a heart of service
That's
na talagang makakapagbigay ng confidence sa mga customers mo.
Pero going back to my question, Victor, you were talking about speed.
Yeah.
Ano yung difference? Bakit naging mas mabilis kayo compared before?
Well, we started using Quotable 6 months ago and then syempre may learning curve. And I think within the last few months, we got a hang of it. Our team got a hang of it. And then from one day, one quotation, yan, we're sending out, a dozen quotations a day.
Oh, that's so
Wow.
good. Wait lang, sobrang bilis.
One quotation versus a dozen.
Yeah. That's
In
1
one
to
day.
12. So that's quite good. Ano yung difference nitong bagong platform or si Quotable? What's the difference for you when you adapted to the system? Because most of the time yung sa business din natin, it's really the efficiencies that we have to find
Yeah.
for us to be able to maximize the profit. And with what you're saying that you earned 1.2 million in around 20 days, that really shows how fast you were able to churn out quotes.
Yes. So we still do yung old school, yung
Manual.
quotations namin sa Excel sheet.
Mm-hmm.
And then once we come up with the final cost there, and then we bring it to Quotable.
Right.
And then from there, we judge yung customer, how often are they gonna sell, are they going to buy?
Uh-huh.
And then, how much can we add on top of yung markup namin.
Mhm.
And then, just send as much of them out as you can in a given day.
What do you think, with your sales team having Quotable, what do you think changed? Like, in terms of their confidence in sending out? Because sa totoo lang yung sales team kasi, they really go through a lot of processes to kind of judge, not really judge, but kind of see who we can target as customers.
Yes.
So, ano yung confidence na bigay sa kanila?
Yes, with Quotable and as well as our other tools, no. Kailangan talaga yung professionalism ng salesperson is match siya
Right.
dun sa itsura ng quotation mo and then dun sa speed din that you're able to come up with it. So, hindi pwedeng may disconnect eh.
That's
Sabi
true.
mo, engineers kami pero ito yung quotation namin parang hindi ganun kadaling basahin.
That's
No?
true.
Hindi madaling i-navigate yung information. So, Quotable's really been crucial sa amin na madaling intindihin dun sa customers. And we're able to focus on what we do best, which is the technical nung glass.
Pero ang question ko, how did you find that? I mean, how did you find the system? Yung Quotable, paano mo siya nahanap?
Through Daryl.
Oh!
Daryl, yeah.
Natahimik ako dito eh. No?
Okay, bakit hindi mo sa akin to
Yeah,
share?
sabi
Pero
kasi,
like,
I've known
how-
Victor personally.
right, okay,
Yeah.
sige. So, with that one, how did you feel? Or ano yung changes na nakita mo? Or ano yung feelings mo? Doon nakita mo na parang, hala, pwede pala itong mangyari. Like, we can really like do it faster.
Yeah, so I guess yung may learning curve nga eh, 'di ba? So siguro nung umpisa parang kasing tagal lang din nung Excel sheet.
Right.
Pero as I got to practice yung platform, then
Right.
we were able to churn out more and more. And yung maganda ron is si Daryl nga dito is able to really explain each of the features and kung ano yung purpose ng feature na to, ano yung mga most applicable features for my business. And syempre, yung hindi applicable, sinasabi na niya sa akin straightforward na maybe this is, something that's not very crucial for you. So I won't delve too much into it.
Oh, that's so nice. At least you're guided with the decisions that you're making. Because sometimes in every platform, they would have a lot of powerful tools. But you would also have to identify which of the power, kumbaga superpower, ano yung superpower na pipiliin mo para to really match your business, right?
Yung
Grabe.
utilization, yung functionality that really adapts to their workflow and processes. Yun
Correct.
yung important. Pero ito pala, hindi ko pa ito natanong, Victor.
Yes.
Does your dad know about this new coding software that you're using? What was his reaction?
Since nga old school siya, para sa kanya, a tool is just a tool. It doesn't matter,
Where,
what tool you use as long as the job is done. And I've shown it to him in passing. Siguro napansin niya rin yung quotations namin, iba na yung itsura.
Mas maganda na.
Yeah. Pero, I've introduced it to our sales team, definitely. And sila na-appreciate din nila. Although, hindi, nasa learning curve pa sila na stage. Pero, yan. Since Daryl's here, maybe pwede niya rin turuan yung team namin.
That's so nice. Pero grabe congratulations on hitting one of your biggest milestones. I mean, change feels different and feels scary. But sometimes talaga with your story you really just have to jump and really do it para lang malaman mo kung talagang mag-work ba talaga siya for you. So congratulations
Thank
on
you.
Monrella's success, and I wish for a lot more sales or benta sa mga susunod na days. So parte ng sales is yung mga learnings din na nakuha natin. So what would you say is your best personal achievement in the last few months or probably a year?
A year, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
with
well,
Monrella.
professionally yun nga, nakabenta kami ng 1 million in about 20 days. And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ngayon nakatikim na ako ng ganong kalaking monthly sales. Parang ayoko nang pakawalan.
Exactly.
So, nag-double time kami nitong start of June. And then, thankfully, repeat din namin. Yun nga.
Wow.
So,
That's so nice.
first half
Oh.
of June pa lang, nakabenta na kami ng 1 million.
Wow, that's so good.
Oh, boss. Deserve mo malaman ang buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates.
This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.